You can turn your PyPortal into an interactive IoT art gallery with a 3D printed frame. This project pulls images from the internet so you can cycle through different photos from the Cleveland Museum of Art, astronomy picture of the day from NASA, and of course, cute photos of cats and dogs. It's connected to an accelerometer so you can tilt the frame to advance the photos and cycle through different modes. Tapping on the display will switch modes, and a text label on the upper right of the display lets us know the status of the image loading and which modes are active. In the CircuitPython code, features have adjustable values so you can make edits. Various checks prevent the code from crashing so errors are handled gracefully. If no accelerometer is detected, it falls back to the touchscreen, and if there's no internet, it just loads images that are stored on the micro SD card. We think this is a feature-packed example of using CircuitPython and the PyPortal as a prototyping platform. You can get all of the parts, code, and CAD files to build this project from the guide at learn.adafruit.com. The 3D printed frame is designed to look melted, and it features a stylized stand. The accelerometer breakout is secured to a separate mount that is attached over the mounting tabs on the PyPortal's PCB with machine screws. We hope this inspires you to check out the Adafruit PyPortal for your next IoT display projects.